Yeah, unboxing some trico wiper blades for my 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. So I want to make sure these work. These are supposed to be one of the good blades. So let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's in this box. Alright, back to the basic. Taking out some wiper blades for the 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. These are trico blades. They're supposed to fit this car, but then hopefully they send some adapters in there, because these doesn't even look like the adapters that come on the car. So let's see what's in the box. They are trico wiper blades. Not getting paid for this, but I bought them on Amazon and I'm going to replace them on my car over there. The wiper blades are shot, so watch me while I change them. Yeah, so let's see what's in the box. Okay. Alright, so it comes with the right adapters. Yeah, here are the right adapters for the Volkswagen Beetle. So this is going to be a short video, so I'm going to try and put these in and let's hope they work. Alright, so here is the new wiper blades, and then we're going to have to use these adapter right here, because the ones that are on there now is not for the Volkswagen. So we're going to have to push on these little tabs right here, some kind of way to push on these little tabs, and then we take these out. See, we push on these little tabs right here, and you force it down, and then you force that. Supposed to, my fingers in the way of the camera, but see, then once you push them in, you force these out. See, take it out. Alright, and then you're gonna install this other one inside of it. This other one, see that little notch right here? Make sure it fits down here with that notch right there, and then you turn it that way, right? See, and then you slip it back in place right there. So yeah, right there you slip it in, and then you slide it back. You hear that click? So now you got your wiper blades back in the in this one. You have the adapters back in this wiper blade. Alright, so this one is not gonna fit this car. I get this is some other car. I don't know what car this one fit. Alright, so I already moved the old one over here. So now I'm gonna slip this out, because I already take the old one out. I had to where is it? It's gone down in here somewhere and get lost. Anyway, I had us to push on this tab right here, this little tab right here, so it could comes out of this hole, this little hole over here. I don't know if you can see it that good. See that little hole? That's where the tabs go into. And then with the new one now, we're gonna we're gonna slide this in. We're gonna slide this in. Alright, I'll be over there. New one. We're gonna slide this in all until they snap, click, right? Then you're good. Right, so here we go. Squeeze these little tabs right there. Then I think we have to take something else off. There is something else on here that gotta come off. Right here. I'm gonna take this other piece off. Here's another piece right here. We gotta take off right here. I gotta go get a screwdriver and I'll be right back. That's how you fit a wiper blade and a 2013 Volkswagen Beetle. See, that's the new one. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Then I'm gonna do this other side same way. Alright, so this is how you do your wiper blade. Thank you for watching. So remember, please subscribe, like, and share for more videos and also do wiper blades and more. Alright, so please leave a comment down. Now we're gonna check these wiper blades to see how they wipe. I want to make sure they wipe these windshields pretty and nice. So let's go. Alright, beautiful. Look, see, they're cleaning me my windshield nice now. That one used to left streaks in my thing, you know, like a lot of streaks in my windshield. Now these are doing good. Tricor, I'm recommending them, but I'm not getting paid. But anyway, alright guys, so if you like these videos, please remember to subscribe and like. And if you like the videos, please remember to give me a thumbs up too. And if you like these videos, please come back and watch, and please share them. Alright, talk to you soon. Alright. Yeah, man.